Hey all you cool cats and kittens. Cryptocurrency is everywhere these days. It's like that song you can't get out of your head, but instead of being annoying, it might just make you rich. Okay, maybe not rich, but it's definitely changing how we think about money. More and more people are jumping on the crypto train. But before you throw your hard-earned cash into the digital abyss, let's break it down, shall we? Imagine a digital piggy bank, but instead of coins, it holds lines of code. That's cryptocurrency in a nutshell. It's like digital cash, but with extra encryption to keep things secure. Bitcoin was the first one on the block, created by the mysterious Satoshi Nakamoto. Who is Satoshi Nakamoto? Nobody knows. It's like the Zodiac killer of finance, but instead of cryptic messages, they left us with a revolutionary technology.
Before you dive headfirst into the crypto pool, do your homework. The crypto world is full of jargon and confusing concepts. There are tons of resources out there to help you become a crypto whiz. Websites, podcasts, YouTube channels, you name it. Just make sure you're getting your info from reliable sources. Don't trust that guy in your mum's basement who claims to be a crypto guru. Unless, of course, that guy is actually Satoshi Nakamoto. Then maybe listen to him. Avoid common mistakes like panic selling during market dips. And don't get too greedy when prices spike.
So, you're ready to buy some crypto? Great. You'll need an exchange. Think of it like a digital stock market where you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies. There are tons of exchanges out there, each with its own fees, features, and security measures. It's like choosing a dating app, but instead of finding love, you're trying to find the best platform to grow your digital wealth. Look for exchanges with a good reputation, strong security features, and reasonable fees. You don't want to get catfished by an exchange with hidden fees, or worse, hacked, and lose all your crypto.
Tape. Section 5. Account creation. Suit up with security. Discover essential security measures to protect your investments. Once you've found your perfect crypto match, it's time to create an account. This usually involves providing some personal information and verifying your identity. Don't worry, it's all above board. Exchanges need to comply with Know Your Customer (KYC) regulations to prevent fraud and money laundering. Think of it like getting carded at a bar, but instead of proving you're old enough to drink, you're proving you're not a criminal mastermind. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, to add an extra layer of security to your account. It's like having a bodyguard for your crypto, except it's way cheaper and probably won't judge your questionable life choices.
Section 6. Funding your account. Let's get this bread. Dive into the exciting world of cryptocurrency trading. Now it's time to load up your account with some cash. Most exchanges accept various payment methods like bank transfers, credit, debit cards, and even PayPal. Some exchanges might have deposit limits, especially for new users. Don't worry, you can usually increase these limits over time by verifying your identity further. It's like leveling up in a video game, but instead of unlocking new weapons or characters, you unlock the ability to deposit more money.
Section 7. Picking your crypto players. Bitcoin and beyond. Bitcoin is the OG cryptocurrency, but it's not the only game in town. There are thousands of cryptocurrencies out there, each with its own unique features and potential. It's like a buffet of digital assets, but instead of choosing between pizza and tacos, you're choosing between Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, and a whole bunch of other options you've probably never even heard of. Explore the most popular cryptocurrencies and their unique features. Do your research and choose cryptocurrencies that align with your investment goals and risk tolerance.
Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification is key. Diversification is really key to any successful investment strategy, and crypto is no exception. Don't put all your crypto eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different cryptocurrencies to minimize your risk. It's kind of like ordering a sampler platter at a restaurant. You get to try a little bit of everything, and if you don't like something, you haven't wasted your entire meal on it.
Making your move, buying your first crypto. Congratulations, you're about to buy your first cryptocurrency. Let's break it down step by step. First, you have two main order types, market and limit orders. Market orders buy or sell at the current market price, while limit orders let you set a specific price you're willing to buy or sell at. Think of it like this. Market orders are like hailing a taxi, and limit orders are like scheduling a ride in advance. Market orders are like hailing a taxi. You get the current rate, but you might have to wait a bit. Limit orders are like scheduling a ride. You get the price you want, but you might have to wait longer for your order to be filled.
Guarding your digital gold wallets and security. You've bought your crypto, now you need to keep it safe. Exchanges are great for buying and selling, but they're not the best place to store your crypto long term. Why? Because if the exchange gets hacked or goes belly up, you could lose all your hard-earned crypto. That's where wallets come in. Wallets are like digital vaults for your crypto, and they come in two flavors, hardware and software wallets. Hardware wallets are like physical safes for your crypto, while software wallets are like digital wallets on your phone or computer. Understand the different types of wallets and how to keep your assets safe. Imagine losing your phone with all your crypto on it. Not a good feeling, right? That's why it's crucial to back up your wallet information. Most wallets have a recovery phrase, which is like a master password that can restore access to your crypto if you lose your device or forget your password. Write down your recovery phrase and store it in a safe place. Don't just leave it on a sticky note on your computer screen, unless you want your roommate to accidentally throw out your life savings along with last week's takeout containers.
The crypto market is volatile. Prices can go up and down faster than a roller coaster. To stay on top of your investments, use portfolio tracking apps. These apps let you monitor the value of your crypto holdings, track your profits and losses, and even set price alerts. It's like having a personal assistant for your crypto, except it won't judge you for spending your entire paycheck on Bitcoin.
# Section 13. Learn how to identify and avoid common cryptocurrency scams. The crypto world is like the Wild West of finance, full of opportunity, but also full of scammers and shady characters. Always be on the lookout for scams. Don't fall for get-rich-quick schemes or phishing attempts. If something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Always double-check the URLs of websites and never share your private keys with anyone. Remember, if you're not sure about something, it's always best to err on the side of caution.
Section 14, Traditional Finance versus Cryptocurrency, a tale of two systems. Traditional finance and cryptocurrency are like apples and oranges. Both involve money, but their approaches are vastly different. Traditional finance relies on centralized institutions, while cryptocurrency often operates on decentralized platforms. This decentralization means that cryptocurrency platforms usually have less oversight and regulation compared to traditional banks. While this can foster freedom and innovation, it also means you're generally on your own if issues arise.
Section 15, choosing wisely, your crypto checklist. Choosing the right exchange or cryptocurrency can be overwhelming, but don't worry, we've got your back. Here's a comprehensive checklist to ensure you're ready to start your crypto journey. Choose an exchange with a strong track record of security and robust security measures in place. Look for exchanges with high trading volumes, which means you can easily buy and sell your crypto without affecting the price. Consider exchanges that are licensed and regulated in your jurisdiction, as this can provide an extra layer of protection.
Tap Section 16. Ready to dive in? Start your crypto adventure today. Congratulations! You've made it to the end of our whirlwind tour of the crypto world. You're now armed with the knowledge and tools to start your crypto journey safely and responsibly. Remember, the crypto world is constantly evolving, so stay informed, be cautious, and never stop learning. And hey, if you get rich, don't forget about the little people. Just kidding, or am I? And there you have it, folks, a beginner's guide to buying cryptocurrency. Don't forget to like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, and leave a comment below telling us about your crypto adventures. Get inspired to take the plunge into the world of cryptocurrency.